Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix Roblox Error Code 277 network issue, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So first thing that we need to do is we need to check the status of the Roblox. So search for a browser in your Windows. It could be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome browser. So I'll go with Microsoft Edge. Then here in the search bar, just type status.roblox status.roblox.com and then hit on enter. Now, everything says here that it's operational. So there's nothing wrong with our Roblox status and all systems operational updated a few seconds ago. So if there's nothing a problem with this or if there's no problem with this, then just simply close this window. And then what we'll have to do is we need to restart our computer first. Just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer. Now, after you have restarted your computer and the problem is still there, then we need to move to the next methods. Click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and look for Troubleshoot. Then click on Other Troubleshooters. And here you'll find Network and Internet with the Run button corresponding to it, so click on the Run button. Now, running the network and internet troubleshooter, this will help you detect the issue that you are facing, and this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow the directions and suggestions that it will recommend you to fix the issue. So once done, now in my case, you're connected to the internet. We didn't find any problems with your network because I am not facing the error. But if in your case, you receive a different message, then you need to follow the suggestions and recommendations in the network troubleshooter. So once done, just simply close that and then close this window. Then we need to press the Windows key and R button together. Here we need to type ncpa.cpl. It's ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Then here you need to look for the connection that you are connected to. So I'm connected to Wi-Fi. You could be connected to Ethernet, but the process is just the same. So just make a right click and then select Properties. Then here in your Wi-Fi properties, you need to look for the Internet Protocol version for the IPv4. Click on Properties. Then here you need to choose this button for use the following DNS server addresses, and we are going to use the Google's DNS server. So here you need to type for the preferred DNS server, just type 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate, it should be 8.8.4.4, and then click on OK, and then close this, and then close this window and see if the problem has been fixed. Now, if still the issue persists, then we need to uninstall the application. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In here, you need to click on Apps. Click on Installed Apps. Then look for the Roblox. So search for it, Roblox. Then click on these three dots and then select Uninstall and then uninstall once again. Now, once you have uninstalled the application, then just simply visit the Microsoft Store. So type Store in the Windows search bar. Click on this. Then here, you just need to type for Roblox. Click on this. Then just simply click on this Get button for the Roblox to be reinstalled again into your Windows, and you just have to wait for this. So once this is done, just close this window and then you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.